Hi, my name is Gary Gibb, and I'm here to demonstrate some of the charts that we have inside of Domo that can help you do your analysis. I want to first start with a couple of easy tips that help you quickly analyze the data that you've captured inside of your Domo instance. First of all, you can see here where we highlight and make it easy for you to find, for example, all of the contribution that happened from your west region, your central region, your south region, and you can see how these all aggregate together in your stacked bar. One easy analysis tool that a lot of people have been requesting is the ability to come over here and now do a relative contribution. So what we do is if you go over the legend, we actually drop to the baseline all of these values so that you can easily compare and see how each region is contributing. So you get kind of the benefit of a stacked bar at the same time as you have a grouped bar, so that you can see the relative contribution and the aggregate contribution in your bar charts. Next one I want to show you is an overlay bar. Overlay bar is a very useful chart type, especially when you have data that is a subset or always something less than the other value. In this case, I'm showing profit versus sales. I want to show it on the same baseline so that I can see how they're contributing together, but I want to overlay it. It doesn't have to stack together because the profit is a part of the sales total. Marimekko is another useful bar chart type where it shows two dimensions, so I can see both in the X and Y category how much things are contributing. Stacked bars are a very useful chart type, and what's inside here that is very useful is the ability to not only sort based on your total inside of your stacked bar, but also internal to your stacked bar. So in this case, you can see that medium, it's been the top contributor in Q3 of 2015, but it was second, and then the top contributor again here. It makes it easy for you to find exceptions and outliers when you're analyzing your data. The next one I want to talk about is a very common case when you have a lot of data. This is something where we're actually looking at usage inside of our own chart editor. So you see that there's a lot of data captured down here, a long tail. But what I want to do is, without skewing the data, I want to capture all of that below 20 in what we call an other category. You can see down here that other is summarizing the long tail. It actually adds up to 20 million. If we actually showed that, it would skew the chart and make it hard for you to see those top values. But what we do is give it a treatment where you can see that there's a cutoff point and it's been aggregated in other, and makes it easy for you to do your analysis on those top values. Here's another case where you have too many lines, where you have so many series, for example, from each of the states, that you want to eliminate some of the noise. To do that, for example, we can go in and say, I want to show just those lines that are above the value of 1 million, or I can come in here and show just those lines that are below 10,000. So what this does is it gives me the ability to quickly analyze my data and emphasize those that are the outliers, or those that are the top performers or the bottom performers. Another useful tool that a lot of people are not aware of is that you can come in here. If you have a lot of series, you can actually scroll through the legend so that you can see all of your different values and be able to work with that.